multiple takes in one recording, the usual process is tedious. You scrub through the footage, rewatch each version, try to remember what sounded best, then go back and make your cuts. It's time-consuming and far from creative. Cutback handles all of that for you. Head over to Auto Rough Cut. Once the analysis is complete, simply type "Remove Retakes" in the chat or select it from the options. In seconds, you'll get a draft where repeated takes are automatically trimmed out. The assistant picks the best take using smart criteria like sentence clarity, sound quality, and natural flow. Want to double-check the choices? Click Select Take, and you'll see side-by-side options of the repeated clips. Preview, compare, and if you prefer a different version, you're in control. Once you're happy, save your draft and hit Apply to Sequence. All the edits will be reflected in your timeline instantly. This isn't just automation, it's editing with intention, powered by AI. Try it out and let the assistant take the repetitive work off your plate.